Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities, and in this video I'll share my direct communication with divine for the first time. I was in 9th standard and I was angry and upset both. Why? Because of seeing these people who were manipulators, evil, narcissistic, and don't even think once before lying or doing false swear on anyone. So this was too much for me because it was becoming hard for me to survive in that surroundings. Because of it was not about people who were elder than me. It was also about people who were of my age, even younger than me. I'm not going to share the truth, but then I saw people who were at least 5 to 6 years younger than me. They were also same sort of evil and narcissistic people and manipulators, cheaters, liars. Because of these situations, I was upset. Now the situation was, if I do not become like them, I will always be in traumatic situation, in problematic situation. But I was decided that I will not become like them, never ever. So what to do, how to live with these people, how to survive amongst these. So what I did, I went outside and was looking towards the sky. So I said, that everybody is here, they all are similar except me, and neither I am like them nor I will ever become. And you are the creator, so probably I am at the wrong place, at wrong planet. Why should I be here and why am I here? This was my question. And then I said, that if you could have done one thing, that you could have made an island, a separate island, wherein people like me will stay together, and all these dirty people will stay at other place. So there should be a particular island, and in case if there is nobody like me, then you could have made an island just for me, but you could have made it because I can stay alone. So when I said that you could have made an island for me if there is nobody like that, then I got a reply from divine that we gave you power to create one. Now I heard the reply so clear, so loud, the way two people talk, and I was surprised. And then I came inside. I said, wow, till now I was only seeing spirits, talking to them, and a lot of things when it comes about spirit attack, and then also having protective spirits around me. A lot of things I've already shared in my previous videos when it comes about when it is about these dark forces and other things. So it was too much for me seeing a lot of spirits of all kinds, good, bad, evil. And then there were a lot of other things which I was experiencing, like knowing my own powers and spiritual gifts. And now all of a sudden I was laughing, oh wow, they're talking to me, the divine is talking to me. So I said, okay, maybe I am overthinking. So I did not reply back because I did not had any reply when they said we gave you power to create one. So I knew that now they are talking to me, but then I remained silent. Then I did not say anything. But after a few days, I was thinking something, was planning to do some sort of experiment with humans, particular behavior and nature. So because I had some question and I wanted to have clarity about it. So what was that? That was when people who are wrong, evil, do they ever change? That was the question. I needed answer because I was clear. Neither I will do wrong to anyone, but I will also not allow such people in my life. And there were a lot of people like that. So I wanted to have clarity, because people who does bad things, who does any sort of wrong things to you, what I was seeing, they immediately show and pretend as if they have been changed now. So they were acting, I knew that they are acting and they will never change. So the moment I came in divine communication, I was also able to get some other things through divine help that I'll explain in some other video. So I knew that they will never change, but I needed clarity. So what I was planning to do an experiment wherein I will give the control of my life for some time in their hands. in the hand of narcissistic, evil, wrong people, which I never gave. So, because I have been that stubborn child that I will never give control of my life to anyone's hand, and I never followed anyone, I never heard anyone that, because I've been aware that these are wrong people. So, the experiment was that I will give the control of my life in their hand for some time. Let's see what happens, because I wanted to come on some conclusion. Either I will remove myself from their life or they will be removed. And those were immediate people. So, what I did, I was thinking, and then Divine said, do not think like that. Do not think of doing that experiment, because it is not part of your dictionary. We have clearly mentioned that you will not do anything which we have advised you. So that was one thing clearly written in my dictionary, that wrong people never change. So when Divine said do not even think of doing that, I said, I understand you are saying that, but then people pretend, these humans pretend that they definitely change. This is a myth or a reality. I do not know that. What is the truth behind it? So Divine said, no, do not do that. So when Divine said second time, I said, now I'm going to do it. And I will surely do it. So I was asked by Divine, do not do that, several times. I said, no, I am definitely going to do this. So I did that experiment. I gave the control of my life for, 9, 10, 11, for 3 years. And you know what I saw? I was forced to attempt suicide. So it was a situation, either you kill yourself or we will kill you. It was that situation. So I attempted suicide, and then, it was that situation. I was in 11th standard that time. So when I came in my own consciousness after a week time, so then had conversation with Divine again. I apologized to Divine. Divine told me that time not to, do this experiment, because you will not feel good about it. So I thought maybe I'll be able to, end my life that time. So what I did, I apologized to Divine, because Divine was right and I was wrong. So I said sorry, and also started, listening to Divine. Since there, I have been in direct communication always. And even when I am not initiating conversation, it has been there. So how Divine behaves, how I have been loved and protected and cared, by the Divine, that somebody taking care of a baby, a little baby. So this is how I have been I have been getting those treatment through Divine. I'll explain in other videos. So now this was the experiment, which was my second conversation, wherein Divine initiated the conversation themselves. Now, since then, I have been accessing my Divine dictionary, which has a lot of things. So that was the only thing what I did against, my Divine dictionary, that experiment, wherein I was forced to do, attempt suicide. So after that, I never did anything against my dictionary, but Divine has been kept on telling me, reminder that, you have to punish wrong people, you cannot spare them. And I kept on seeing those things, people who did anything, wrong against me, even gossiping, even spreading rumors, they all have been punished. That to an extent which I cannot even describe in words. So I used to say, isn't it too much that you punish them? So I was given a reply. So this is how the conversation started. And further, there are further communication, as I've told you that I met this twin flame in 2011. But before that, there are a lot of things which I have to share with you all. So keep listening. This was about today's video. I'll see you in another video.